Virtual meetings are happening every single day, and you're most likely utilizing Zoom or Google Meet to be able to have those meetings. Well, after today's video, you're no longer going to need to be able to utilize those tools, as today I'm going to introduce you to the best free tool to be able to have your virtual meetings, and that's called Evmux, which gives you access to an unlimited amount of participants. There's no limit onto the amount of time you can have your meetings. You still get access to private and group chats. You can share your screen, share videos, and you can even go ahead and live stream and record these meetings with up to 12 participants on stage live, and you can stream that to multiple platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, and so many others. So let's go ahead and jump into my Evmux account so you can see what this experience is all about. So once you go ahead and invite your participant to your meeting session, they're going to see a window just like this, giving them the opportunity to be able to check their camera, to be able to check their microphone, and even have some additional settings here where they can do some echo cancellation, noise suppression, to be able to give them the best quality possible during that meeting. And then once they're ready to go ahead and join the session, they simply go ahead and input the email that you invited them to and hit join broadcast. That's then going to go ahead and bring them into what we call the speaker room. So once you're here inside of the speaker room, this is going to be the experience that you're going to see as a participant. So you're going to see your main camera here in the center, and then you're going to see all the other participants who are also included in this session as well in this middle screen. So you can have an unlimited amount of participants, and they'll just be created as box layouts that you will be able to utilize and see in there, and everyone's able to go ahead and talk freely. Then here on the left hand side, you're going to see a preview of your camera as well. You're going to see the participants that are included in this session, and you're also going to see a live preview, and this is if you're going to go ahead and live stream or record that meeting. This is where you'll be able to see that live preview. Then here at the bottom, you're going to see some additional features like muting your mic, being able to disable your camera, turn it back on, and then you also have the option to be able to go ahead and change your camera, change your microphone, and have those additional settings that you had when you entered into the session. You also have the availability to be able to go ahead and share your screen. You can select an entire screen, you can select a window, or you can select an actual tab that you have open. You also can go ahead and share videos. So you can go ahead and grab this. It'll allow you to bring it to your computer, and you can go ahead and share any video that you would like. And then of course here, you're going to have the option to be able to hide your group or your private messages to just make it a little bit easier to be able to see the participants who are here live with you. If you do want to be able to see that, you then have the option to have access to a group chat, and you can also go ahead and private message any of the participants that are here in the session here with you. Then if you are live streaming and going live, then here's where you'll be able to see all of the social comments from outside people commenting in on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, on any other social platform that integrates directly with Evmux. You'll be able to see those social comments here to be able to go ahead and engage with them. Then here at the bottom, you have your availability for your profile to be able to leave the room if you like. And then here, of course, if you prefer to have this in dark mode, you can go ahead and change this to dark mode. You can go ahead and make this full screen if you like. And then of course, you can go ahead and mute the stage, allowing you to be able to mute everyone who's on there, allowing you to focus on some deep work that you're currently doing. But this is going to be the best free tool for you to be able to utilize to be able to have virtual meetings. Now, the beautiful thing is that Evmux is not just created for virtual meetings. Evmux is a web-based full stream live editor and recording studio that you're able to go ahead and utilize to be able to go ahead and create recorded or live content. So if you want to learn more about Evmux and all the features that are available for you, not only in the free plan, but what you can do with it to be able to level up the production of your meetings, your content, your live streams, go ahead and check out this video right here where I walk you through a full demo of all the features Evmux has to offer. I'll see you guys in the next video.